welcoming you to the another video of the channel. So today's topic is free low content book interior. So if you're someone, there are low and no content book interior, both are available. So if you're someone who is new and don't know how to create low content book and no content book interiors, so this video is for you. You can download it for free. If you want 100 pages, you can download 100 pages. If you want 1000 pages, if you want 1000 pages, you can download 1000 pages. If whatever size you want, they are available for free. So how you can download them? Just come to Google Chrome and just type book bolt interior and search, and the second link, interior generator book bolt designer. So the link is designer.bookbolt.io. so click on this and you will have a library of low content and no content books. So first is blank line page. How you can download it? Just click on it and just go to your preferred size. Like if you want 8.5 into 11 like this. Page count, how many pages you want. Let's suppose you want 100 pages. Just download it, and here you get your interior. It's a blank line, so you can choose whatever you want. Journals, music sheet. So it's only for premium members, so skip this. Career plan, monthly to-do list, mood tracker, online shopping tracker, reseller planner, room core list, saving tracker, weekly planner. You can make a lot of planners, reminder books, birthday reminders. You can take idea from them and you can make your own. Body measure tracker, birthday reminder, scuba diving journals. I have some scuba diving journal, they are selling nice, but right now I'm not running any ads, but they still give me some sales. Hexagon paper large, hexagon paper small, day planner, fitness calendar, fishing log. You can check plenty of low content interior for free. Let us download one more for give you an example. Let's suppose I want to download flight information, LCB manuscript. Just go, if you want bleed or no bleed, I want bleed. Go to 8.5 into 11, page count 100, just download, and your PDF is downloaded now. Just click on this and here your manuscript is ready. So I hope you get my point. This is a free way you can, if you're someone who is new and don't want to create and don't know how to create, you can use them for free and upload it, and there is no copyright infringement, so you can use it for free, no attribution required. Just go and download it and publish your books. So I hope you get that. So this is it for the video. It is a little short video, so thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.